Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am sharing my top 5 favorites for the Miss Binibining Pilipinas 2020. Alright guys, I'm Allie with NGM Modeling and I'm back to share some of my favorites of this pageant that's coming up. The dates have moved and this is the first year that Miss Universe title has been taken out of this pageant. So this year the titles will be Supranational, Grand International, Intercontinental, Miss Globe, and of course Miss International. So lots of great titles to be given out here. Here's my top 5 favorites, and I will tell you at the end which one is my absolute favorite. So hang on to the end with me. So first one, I'm doing these in alphabetical order, so you won't be able to figure out which one is my favorite. But first one up is Gabriella Bassiano. So Gabriella Bassiano has a really great look. Like, she looks the part of a queen. That she could pull this off. She's very strong in all the assets. She's very well spoken, so she could get the job done, and she could do a really good job if she had one of these titles. Next one up is Honey Grace Sano. I like because she looks a little bit different. She's one of the very few contestants with a little bit shorter hair, and she really works that bob of her hair. It looks really cute, and she's very friendly, and she is again very strong in all of the important parts for the pageant. Next one is Maureen Montagne. Now Maureen, we know, has a ton of experience. She could do very well in this one. She could come away with the big title here, but she has a lot of experience, obviously, from being a U.S. title holder and being in the Miss USA and just all the other pageant stage experience that she has. So that's going to come into play here. Next one up is Samantha Bernardo. Samantha, what I think is making her a strong contender is that she has a very fresh look. She does have the experience to bring to the table, and she also has a really great smile, which I really like. I always connect with those when they come out. I think they flash their smile, and I feel like you either connect or don't connect with them through that, and I feel like Samantha does have that. And then the last one of the top 5 favorites for the Miss Binibining Pilipinas 2020 is Vicky Rushton. And Vicky, when I saw her, I don't know if I'm the only person who thinks this, but I think she has a lot of the same features of Catriona Gray, Miss Universe 2018. And so when I looked at her, I kind of thought about that. We got to see Catriona Gray get crowned as Miss Universe in 2018 in Bangkok, Thailand. We had the opportunity to attend that Miss Universe, and that was amazing. But when I saw Vicky, I absolutely thought of Catriona. She has, obviously some differences, but I feel like the look is very similar to hers. So I really liked that about her. So I think these are my top 5 favorites, and my number 1 that I think is a very top contender is Maureen Montague. I think with the experience that she has, she could do really, really well in this competition. So she is definitely my front runner for this. I hope you guys enjoyed my review. Subscribe to the channel, like it, and tell me below who you think your top 5 favorites are, or if you agree with my choices. And we'll see you on the next video, guys.